Hello guys. Imagine that you are in a cold room. You wear your favorite wool socks. You suddenly felt going to the bathroom. You walk downstairs with your socks on the carpet floor. As you arrive to the bathroom, you hold the doorknob to the bathroom, and suddenly...
Another one. Another one.
Really? That would not likely to happen, except if you're touching a high voltage fence. Hee 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 hee.
There are 3 ways that objects can acquire a net charge.
What we see here is an example of charging by friction. Electrons are being transferred by friction when one material rubs against another because electrons are lost by one material and gained by the other. The objects now have opposite charges and attract.
Look at this cat. I do feel bad for him. Another example of charging by friction. This is how the man got shocked in intro earlier.
This is the same situation that occurs when you rub your feet across carpet and are shocked by contact with a doorknob. The shock you feel is electrons moving from your body to the doorknob. This is known as a discharge. After the discharge, your body is neutral again.
Oh my God!
Charging by conduction involves the contact of a charged object to a neutral object. Hence, when an uncharged conductor is brought in contact with a charged conductor, charge is shared between the 2 conductors and hence, the uncharged conductor gets charged. Electrical conductors are materials through which electrons move freely. During charging by conduction, both objects acquire the same type of charge.
Charge can only move from one place to another. Now if we bring our positively charged glass rod in contact with another neutral rod, some of the negative charge, that is some electrons, will jump from the neutral rod to the positive one until both objects have the same distribution of charge.
Suppose that a positively charged aluminum plate is touched to a neutral metal sphere. The neutral metal sphere becomes charged, as the result of being contacted by the charged aluminum plate. So when the positively charged aluminum plate is touched to the neutral metal sphere, countless electrons on the metal sphere move towards the aluminum plate. The aluminum plate is still charged positively, but now has less extra positive charge than it had before the process started.
Okay.
There are a variety of methods to charge an object. One method is known as induction. In the induction process, a charged object is brought near but not touched to a neutral conducting object. If a rubber balloon is charged negatively, perhaps by rubbing it with animal fur, and brought near the spheres, electrons within the 2-sphere system will be induced to move away from the balloon. This is simply the principle that like charges repel.
That is all guys. I hope you all learned something. Stay safe guys, and remember, knowledge is power. Neutrons have no charge.
Okay.